Hey, it's Rob Bettis here. Welcome back to my math tutorials. Today I'm going to quickly go over some terms that you may or may not be familiar with, but if not, we'll get through it and probably be a good idea to learn them as soon as you can and memorize these terms, because there'll definitely be something you'll need in any of your math. First term is Pemdas, and Pemdas stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And the reason it starts with P because you do what's in parentheses first, then you do the exponent next, then you do multiplication and division. Actually, they're pretty much the same. You just do left to right, multiplication and division, and the same thing with addition and subtraction. You do left to right, but you do that after you do these. And next set of terms, sums, differences in products, and you may be aware of those terms, but we're going to go over this problem anyway to make sure you understand it. And that problem is, what is the positive difference between the sum of 3 and 4 and the product of 3 and 4? And it sounds kind of weird, but once you think about it and kind of picture what they're asking you, you should be okay. Go ahead and take a look at these problems and try to work them out, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Hello again, it's Rob Bettis. Welcome back. And what we're going to do is go over the two problems I left you with earlier. What I try to do is make these as quick as possible, because I know everybody have a lot of things to do. And I don't want to do too many long, drawn-out explanations. We just want you to get what you need to do as well as you can on your test. I mentioned Pemdas mean parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In this problem, you want to do parentheses first. So that's 7 minus 5, which gives you 2. You bring down the exponent, and I like to bring down everything else too, including the signs. And that kind of, see the pluses all the way down to the division. I like to do that because it keeps things in order and it helps you not get mixed up. Okay, we've done the parentheses. Next is the exponent. The only exponent here is this 2 here. 2 to the second power is 2 squared, or 2 times 2, which is 4. Again, I bring everything else down. The 6's, the division sign, the plus, and the 3. Now we're done with parentheses and exponent. What we have left is multiplication, division, minus, and plus. Where with Pemdas it says does multiplication and division next, left to right. Okay. The next thing we do is multiplication, because this is to the left of division. And 2 times 4 gives you 8. Bring down the 10 and the minus sign. Now I'll go ahead. Sometime I like to put 6 divided by 3 again here, but since it's left to right, I can go ahead and divide now. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Okay? Now you've got rid of the multiplication and division left, and what you got left is addition and subtraction. Left to right again. Addition is to the left, so 10 minus 8 is 2. And you bring down the 2 with the plus. And now you're left with addition, and you simply add 2 plus 2 to get 4. Okay? Again, remember this Pemdas, because that'll get you through all the problem when you come up with parentheses, exponents, and different things of that nature. Over here it says, what is the positive difference between the sum of 3 and 4 and the product of 3 and 4? To get the positive difference, first you gotta find the sum of 3 and 4 and the product of 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, sum means plus. 3 plus 4 is 7. Product means times. 3 times 4 is 12. So now you got those first values, and now you can find the positive difference between these two. And difference is subtraction. You just got to remember these terms, okay? If it's new to you. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. And 5 is your final answer to this question. Again, these are terms you probably already know about. If not, keep it in your mind. Take a couple of seconds to memorize them and know how to use them. hopefully everything is going well, and I'll see you